Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be covering the topic of updating Microsoft Windows to the latest version. Keep in mind there's a difference between upgrading Windows and updating Windows. I'll be covering upgrading in a later video. Now, let's say you want to update your Windows to the latest version, but you don't know how. Well, you're in luck. First, what you're going to want to do is go to the four windows on the bottom left corner of your screen. You're going to want to press Settings, and a window should appear. You're going to want to go to Update and Security, which should be on the bottom right corner, right here. You're going to notice a new display is going to pop up with, sometimes you might see this can be ignored, but you're going to see a button named Check for Updates. If you want to check for updates, you click on it. Now you'll notice it found an update. The status is displaying what it's currently doing with that update. You'll notice below there's also optional quality updates available. You can also press the button to view all optional updates, or you can download and install the current ones that are available. Keep in mind that depending on the update size, it will take a various amount of times to download and install the updates. Also, some updates may require you to restart your computer, so save your work before updating. Now, let's say your computer got updated and that particular update slowed down your computer, or your computer is no longer functioning because you updated to a certain version. Well, you're in luck, because under Advanced Options, actually Update History, you will notice it will tell you all the previous updates that you've installed on your computer. If you know the particular update that is causing the problem, or know the date that you updated and your computer stopped working, you can press Uninstall Updates and a new window will appear. You'll notice a whole bunch of updates, a whole bunch of data will appear on a table in the old-fashioned control panel. These are all updates that have been installed recently. Find the update that you want to uninstall, click on it, and press you're going to right click on it and press uninstall. The update will uninstall and then restart your computer. Once you've restarted your computer and it still doesn't work, then you can go ahead and reinstall the update if you wish and uninstall a different update. Now, that was a lot of information for some of you, and maybe nothing new for others. As usual, you can go to Microsoft.com and search Windows Updates. You're going to notice the first result that pops up called Get the Latest Updates. You can click on it and it will tell you exactly what you want to know about how to update your computer, as well as some nifty information that you might need to know if you want to learn more about Windows Update. That's all for today. Bye now.